Welcome to the review of these outstanding smartphones. Let's get started. Our starting point is the display. Resolution. Display type. Brightness. Screen-to-body ratio. Density. Refresh rate. Support. Let's see the build quality. Display protection. Back and frame protection. Thickness. Weight. Resistant. Let's take a look at the operating system. And phone updates. This is the performance processor. Central processing unit. GPU. Finally, the benchmark. Alright, it's time to check the cameras on the phone. Main cameras of the Honor X8B. Main cameras of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. Let's see the front camera and its video recording. Let's check the storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Memory type. Card slot. Let's take a look at the battery, starting with its capacity. Charging. Wireless charging. Average battery life. Let's talk about the connectivity. SIM. Network. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. NFC. Cable type. Unlock option. Let's check it out, the sound of these devices. Speakers. Loudspeaker. Extra audio features. Finally, let's see the value. Average price. Special features. So, which one will have the best results? We have a clear winner in the comparison between these two phones. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.